Hey, this is Lewis from SoFly. In this video, I'll show you how to use Oxygen's Superbox element to easily create animated hover effects between two slides of content. So to add a Superbox to your page, go to Add, Helpers, Superbox. And by default, the Superbox will load in with an image in the primary slide and a heading in the secondary slide. And what the Superbox does is allow you to create animated transitions between these primary and secondary slides on mouse over. You mouse over the Superbox, and the heading in the secondary slide appears. So let's go ahead and clear out the image in the primary slide and the heading in the secondary slide. So we have a blank Superbox. And then let's go ahead and add in an image to the primary slide of the Superbox. So go Add, Basics, Image, Browse, choose an image I already uploaded. And this is too wide, so let's go with an image width of, say, 400 pixels. Okay, this is our primary slide. Now let's go to the Superbox and create a hover effect. So to go to the Superbox, just click Superbox, and then in the primary section, we control the effect on the primary slide on mouse hover. So we can slide it into view on hover, we can slide it out of view on hover, we can slide it in from left on hover, slide out from left, so slide into view from left, slide into view from top, slide into view from right, slide into view from bottom, or we could slide out of view on hover. Slide out of view towards the bottom. Slide out of view to the top. So we're actually not going to put a slide effect on this image. We're going to have it display all the time. We'll set the initial opacity to, we could make it somewhat transparent, and then hover opacity, fade it in on hover. We could set the initial scale to something like 1, but then on hover, we could increase the image size. You mouse over on hover, increase the image size. So let's not have any settings for opacity. We'll just have initial scale of 1, scale on hover 1.2. So the image expands on hover. Now let's go ahead and set up our secondary slide. So let's display some text above the image on hover. So we'll go to the secondary slide. We will add in a heading, and we can't edit the heading now because we're not mousing over the Superbox. So what do? We go to Superbox and we choose Superbox editing mode. Live makes it behave as if the user is really viewing it on the site, but we can choose to show the primary slide only, show the secondary slide only, behave as if it was hovered or as if it was not hovered. So we're going to show the secondary slide only. But why can't we see anything? Let's go to secondary. Initial opacity is set to 0. Opacity on hover is set to 1. So let's take away those opacity settings, clear it all out, and now we have a heading in our Superbox. Let's double click this heading to edit it, and I'll say Browse Apartments, and let's adjust the styles of this. So we'll go typography, line height 1.2, we'll go with a text color of white, and we will go with typography font size of, say, 30 pixels, and letter spacing of 2 pixels. Okay, cool. So here's our secondary slide. Now, why does it have a background color? Because that's just the default, so let's clear that out. So now it's white. We can't see it because it's white text on a white background. So let's go back to the Superbox, change the editing mode to live, and now it shows the text over the image, and the image zooms in on hover. Now let's make the text fade in on hover. So we'll go to Superbox, secondary, and on hover we will, initial opacity will be 0, on hover opacity will be 1. Now when we hover, the image appears. Let's also set the background color of the secondary div to a semi-transparent black. Now we mouse over, it fades in. And let's slow down the transition a little bit. Instead of 0.5 seconds, we'll go with 1 second. Now we get a nice slow fade in effect on mouse over. Now let's go ahead and make this a link. So to do that, we would just click the link icon, and we could link to wherever we wanted the Superbox to link to, add link, and now the Superbox behaves as a link. Okay, that is how to use Oxygen's Superbox element to create animated hover effects between two slides of content. Thank you very much for watching.